At age 2 to 3 years old, a male hyena decides if he is going to stay with his natal clan or if he is going to find a new one where he will eventually have mating rights. A Burchell starling does not have an orange eye like the Cape Glossy Starling. They usually nest in a hole in a tree. Here, it is cleaning out an old woodpecker or barbet nest. Being a Blacksmith Lapwing parent is really hard work. Look at this one chasing away guinea fowl. Chicks climb under their parents' wings for warmth and protection. Blacksmith lapwing chicks are precocial. Their parents do not feed them. Waterbuck bulls herd the cows to keep them in his territory. This social structure is called a harem. There is the famous heart-shaped nose. When you suddenly notice your reflection. To be groomed has hygienic benefits and is stress relieving for the individual.